Hi, my name is Linda Cong, and I graduated from the Civil Engineering program at BCIT. I'm currently a project engineer on the Broadway Subway Project, and I work for the province of British Columbia to help deliver this SkyTrain extension of the Millennium Line. So that includes doing things such as quality assurance, site inspections, reviewing submittals from the contractor, and making sure that the project stays on schedule. BCIT definitely gave me a lot of the background knowledge and skills required for a big project like this. It's not just civil engineering that's involved, but it's also geotechnical engineering, and having knowledge of things such as mechanical, electrical works as well has been really useful. I definitely would recommend BCIT. I thought it was a really well-rounded program. It prepared me very well for the industry, and I found it was a very supportive environment for me. I was in the Women in Engineering Club, where I got to meet a lot of great people, and I thought the hands-on skills from BCIT really set me apart from different graduates from different schools.